Nature's unpredictability is what makes it so mesmerizing. One moment, it's peaceful and tranquil. The next, it's a powerful force. Tune in to Yellow TV today to witness some of the most jaw-dropping and extraordinary natural events ever captured. Let's get it on. Even small whirlpools can pull large ships down to the bottom, so it's definitely worth avoiding such dangerous natural phenomena. Watch as Fagradalsfjall volcano's fiery wrath consumes a drone, capturing the breathtaking power of molten lava. The giant squid lives in deep ocean waters and is rarely seen, making it one of the most mysterious creatures. Scientists have studied it through washed-up specimens or sperm whale digestion, but only recently captured footage of it in its natural habitat. Volleyball next to a volcanic eruption? Talk about a hot game. These thrill seekers decided to turn up the heat by spiking and serving right beside a flowing lava fountain. Looks like venom might actually be real. Just kidding. This is just a regular old marine flatworm called a polycladida, and it's pulling off some symbiote-like moves on its crabby prey. Fort McMurray is really turning up the heat. It's like someone cranked the grill to max, but don't worry, this town is as tough as they come. Firefighters are on the case, and they've got this.
Things are changing.
When lava decides to take a leisurely stroll, all they can do is watch the hottest parade on Earth. This molten river is in no hurry, just casually melting everything in its path.
El bloque errático que podíamos observar.
Quezon City just pulled a fast one, going from street scene to chocolate river in seconds. As floodwaters raced from city to river, it was like a surprise costume change, swapping clear streets for a hot chocolate flow. Ever seen a dust devil on steroids? This massive tornado in Mecca looks like nature's ultimate power move, twisting through the desert like it's auditioning for a blockbuster. As the ice crashes into the water, it's like Child's Glacier is whipping up an enormous summer slushie, nature's way of beating the heat with a cool, refreshing splash. This kid just dodged the ultimate boss move from the sky. Sometimes the water temperature can change, forming nearly perfect ice disks. Just seeing it right in front of you is unusual. It poses a real danger to all living creatures, as the moment it touches the seabed, ice channels form rapidly, freezing everything around them. Is this the city from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? No, it's simply the aftermath of a flood caused by heavy rains in Taoyuan County, Hunan Province, China. Everything is submerged in muddy floodwaters. In this jaw-dropping moment from Geiranger Fjord, Norway, it's as if the mountain leaped into the fjord, creating a breathtaking cascade of rocks, turning the landscape into a thrilling domino effect of tumbling rocks. When the glacier lets out a sigh, a massive chunk of ice gracefully plunges into the ocean. Nature seems to be refreshing herself in a truly majestic way. A storm that looks like the apocalypse hit Muruka. On a day like this, it's best to stay indoors.
Get debris right here, stop in this house! Stop this! We're in a tornado! Right in front of us, look! It's right in front of us!
A tornado hit rural Oklahoma like a surprise guest at a backyard party, bending trees and threatening homes. The once calm landscape now looks like a scene out of a disaster movie.
The kitchen window. I cannot believe it.